Hello, today I'm going to show you how I made this die-hard Christmas tree ornament. Quite a fun little project, looks great on the Christmas tree. So first, find the right picture from the movie and then print it out. Next, chop out the picture. And then trim that a little bit just so you've got no white left on the edges. So I bought this metallic paper at a bargain shop. Well, that's good reflection. So I'm just giving myself about 1 centimeter of space there. Next, this measurement is the width or the height of the picture. So I need 2 of those, and then the other measurement is half of the remainder of the value. If that makes sense at all. It'll make sense when you see it. So just fold along those lines that you've measured out, and I'm sticking that in just to get a test measurement, sticking it about halfway along. That's the picture that I cut out earlier. Have a look at that. That looks quite good, about that deep in. So then I'm just going to chop off the back half of that. It's not necessary to make it that long. Glue that in place. And I'm just going to put some masking tape on there to hold it while the glue sets. Just going to make a back cap for the vent now, the size of the back. And chopping out some little edges, folding them up so that you've got something to stick the glue to. Glue on the edges and put that in the end that you don't see. It's looking good, but there's a little bit of play there so you can see behind him. So what I'm doing is poking some holes in the back end of the vent here. And then I'm going to thread some thread through there on the end of a piece of wire. This is a bit of an annoying process, but once it's through, there you go. Tie that off. And now you can see that you don't have that play in the top anymore. It's sort of squeezed those edges together. So next I'm going to take some aluminium foil just out of the kitchen and use that as an outer cover for the vent, because this is a metallic vent that he's crawling through, so it'll be metal on the outside, metal on the inside. Glue that down, chop off the excess and fold it in, and put a little bit of glue inside there just to hold those edges in. Now I'm cutting out some thinner strips to give the vent a little bit of detail. Just poking some holes to look like rivet holes or something that are holding these in place. Some more glue to breathe in. So just gluing those bits down, and then there we have it. Very quick project, looks great on a Christmas tree. Thank you for watching this video. Let me know if you have any questions down in the comments.